just walking down the road and then bang, just out pops some £200 million super yacht. I think one of the best things about living in this city is just, you know, the diversity. People from all countries, and it's one of the only cities that I've been to personally, like, where people don't really make you feel alienated. Like, I've lived in countries, cities like in Tokyo, where I was always seen as always that foreigner, no matter how long I've been there. And now it's more like, it doesn't matter. I think they do it really well in London, and I think New York is the only other place that I know of which is like that. So I'm just walking down in my neighbourhood, just like, you know, normal, heading to go get some lunch, and all of a sudden I just see this crazy thing.